Ferrite is not mere a company. It's a thought process. Ferrite एक सोच है, सोच of ownership, सोच of belongingness. Hi, I am Rashesh Parekh, Ferrite Success Director. At Ferrite, we sell steel, and along with steel, we deliver trust. It's our purpose to save customers 5 to 7% at least for their project. The biggest asset we have is the relationship with our 9,000 customers, and above that, my team members are my strength. Being a second generation entrepreneur, there is always a voice behind which is playing continuously. अरे दुनिया क्या कहेगी if I fail? और अगर जीत भी लिया, सक्सीड भी हो गया, तो भी दुनिया यही कहेगी, अरे you have got a ready-made platform to play. You have got the inheritance business. So what's a big deal? So instead of answering the world, I answered myself. Yes, I am fortunate enough to have the inheritance. I am using this inheritance as a platform for a greater achievement. Inheritance is not something which is gifted. It is a responsibility for the next generation. I promised myself I will take this platform and make the business 10x, 50x, 100x. Not only in the numbers, but also in people management. I will see that this organization runs on autopilot where I am not required the whole day. I preferred expansion versus preservation. There should be no Monday blues in the office. The people should come, or the team should come with a purpose and not pressure. In Mumbai, generally the team members travel 2 to 4 hours to reach to the workplace. And after 8 to 9 hours in the office, we see that they are left with just a little time, approximate 4 hours for them. It's a very little time. I had a very clear picture. These 8 to 9 hours in the office should be the most energetic, most enthusiastic time they should have. They should be curious to come to office and go to their home with the same energy, same pyar and same commitment and spend a good time with their family. मेरे लिए ये इम्पोर्टेंट है, जब भी टीम मेंबर्स अपने घर पे जाए, वही एनर्जी, वही प्यार के साथ में अपने परिवारजन के साथ टाइम बिताए. The other philosophy on which I believe and Ferrite lives is that measuring the business not only on numbers, turnover क्या है, profit क्या है, क्या sales हुआ, क्या tonnage हुआ, that's very very easy. अगर मैं happiness index अपने team members की measure करूँ ईयर ऑन ईयर, उनका ग्रोथ मेजर करूँ, उनकी स्किल्स में क्या इंप्रूवमेंट है वो मेजर करूँ, दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. व्हेन आई सी द ओल्ड फेसेस ऑफ आवर टीम मेंबर्स, आई रियली फील ग्रेटफुल टू देम. इन Ferrite, we trust our team members. Their voice matters to us. And in Ferrite, the business model is called trust. T is basic trust. R is responsibility. U is united. S, support each other. And T is transparency. And this has helped to grow leaps and bounds. Generally, in any organization, लोग environment छोड़ते हैं, job नहीं. Do you know the main role of an entrepreneur is to feed the people or the team who is working for you. The one person whom you give the salary feeds more 8% in the world. मैं ये नहीं कहता profit is not important. Profit is important, but the profit has to be byproduct of the business. If you focus on the values and culture, अगर आपने transparency दे दी, आपने clarity दे दी, and responsibility दे दी team members को, they will bring the profit for you. This is an organization where छोटे लोग can take a bigger decisions. गलती हुई तो माफ है, लेकिन क्वेश्चन ये आता है गलती से सीखे क्या, और नेक्स्ट टाइम ये गलती ना होए उसके लिए क्या किया. आई बिलीव लोगों से कंपनी बनती है, सिस्टम्स एंड प्रोसेस से कंपनी टिकती है, प्रॉफिट से कंपनी भागती है, कल्चर और वैल्यू से कंपनी उड़ती है. इफ योर इंटेंट is to grow the company by numbers, this channel is not for you. Connect to this channel only if you think if team grows, company grows. I believe if the team grows, the organization will grow automatically. If this video adds value to your life and means a lot to you, please share this video and subscribe to the channel.